Hello guys, today we learn about Coming Soon Pro plugin, full settings tutorial. If you don't know how to install a plugin in WordPress, please learn how to install a plugin in WordPress. You can find the link on description and click on part to view that video. After installing a plugin, go to Coming Soon plugin. This is a default setting. You can see a website mode tips on the right side. You can keep the plugin running smoothly by reading these tips. Now click on the maintenance button. This setting works if you need to update on a specific part of your website. You can use the option below to display maintenance messages to visitors on specific posts and pages. All other parts of your website will remain accessible during this time. Click on Coming button. This mode is working to inform visitors that a website is under construction or coming soon. Expect an update from the administrator. Now, click on Save button, and click on Check Live Preview. Your website is under maintenance mode. Again, go to Coming Soon plugin and click on Templates. In Coming Soon plugin you are being shown template presets. Choose a template according to your choice that you want. Click on Activate button below Template for selection. Now, click on the Content section. Content is the most important part of the plugin. You can change all the settings like logo, text, background image and many more. Click on the Upload Logo button and upload your logo for your website. This setting is optional. This is a title or description area. And write any title or description for the website. Leave it blank if you don't want to display it. Set a website launch countdown. Time zone setting used to calculate website launch. When the countdown ends, the website will go live automatically. Write a countdown heading which will appear above the countdown. Set a date and time for the website launch. Display an email subscription form for visitors to sign up for the mailing list. Email subscription mailing list, used to send you updates and offers about our website via email. Provide a YouTube or Vimeo embed video URL. These settings will only be available for templates 3 and 9. Upload the images for the background slideshow. Recommended image slide resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels. This setting is available for templates 6 and 10 only. Write custom CSS code to modify the template designs. Do not use the style tag in the CSS field. Now, click on Save button. And click on Check Live Preview. Template is perfect runs on your website. Again, go to Coming Soon plugin. Click on Social Media. Add your social media account URLs and given social media section to display on website. You can keep it blank if you don't want to display. I am change a template, because I will show you to change background image also. Click on Activate button below Template for selection. The background image slides is being used in this template, so now let's change the image slides. Go back to Content section and click on Upload Slides. Upload the images for the background slideshow. Now, click on Save button and click on Check Live Preview. Background image slides has been changed successfully. Thanks for watching. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.